Hi everyone, it's Doug Black, Editor-in-Chief at Inside HPC. This week we are at the ISC 2022 conference in Hamburg, Germany. And with me now is James Coomer. He's Vice President of Product at high-performance storage company DDN. And James, it's great to be with you.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so what are you guys focusing on, talking about this week?
Right, so this is only probably our 20th year at this kind of event, and this year we're talking about a number of things around both HPC and AI and analytics storage, as well as all the data management that goes around it. So we're kind of a company that focuses 100% on data management and storage at scale, and so the key releases this week is about we've taken our parallel file system, which is called EXAScaler, and we've moved it on to version 6.1 and added a whole bunch of manageability features because our new customers, particularly in AI, are needing much more simplicity at scale. So we're delivering them that with our new EXAScaler release. And on the platform side, on the hardware, we're creating more flexibility for hybrid systems. So still, we're in an age where our flash sales are growing a lot. Customers are going for flash, of course, but still, there's huge capacity demands for some of our customers have hundreds of petabytes, and so HDDs are still important. There's old spinning hard drives. And so we've brought some new systems that really bring those together at scale, like we do, so that customers can basically perform out of flash, but store out of HDD, so they can match their budgets with their performance and capacity requirements.
Okay, so obviously HPC and AI are increasingly merging. What are you doing specifically in the AI area for that market?
Yeah, it's a big question. We've been doing a lot with NVIDIA particularly, but also with other IPU and AI vendors, Graphical and Sabranova and AMD and Intel, and more. But with NVIDIA, we've been working for now 3.5 years in developing some of the largest systems that are out there. So I think 95% of the NVIDIA SuperPODs are shipping with DDN storage.
Wow.
We've got a great relationship with NVIDIA, and together we've been developing these features which have been tested at scale in NVIDIA's Seline system, which is I think number 8 now on the supercomputer list for one of the largest AI supercomputers. So around AI, we're now, we've been through a journey which has allowed us to deliver to customers more and more efficiency and simplicity in those AI environments. And with this latest release, we're kind of just polishing that off, along with a couple more features specifically for accelerating deep learning and accelerating the inference and ingest processes with that. So a lot going on, all gets very detailed, but suffice to say, that work we put in there has really made us the leader in delivering data platforms for at-scale AI.
Great partner to work with.
Yeah,
sure,
yeah,
absolutely.
It's been great, and the whole NVIDIA team, from engineering and marketing and right to the top, have been very supportive of our work, and the two-way relationship has really developed over the past couple of years.
So at this very high-end, high-performance storage, when a prospective customer, when you're sitting down talking with them, and if they say, well, what really distinguishes you from the other storage companies, what would you say?
So I suppose, as always, it's really the people, and we've developed those people over that 20 years. So there's a culture at DDN which has really been influenced over that time by our customers. And our customers are doing the most difficult things there is to do with data all the time, which means we get exposed to that. There's a two-way conversation. We support them, we build systems. They say, we need this, we need that, and we build new software. And that whole thing gets built into our culture. So I think people see DDN as obviously scale and performance, but also de-risking. There's a huge investment in supercomputers and in AI. When you come to DDN, you essentially de-risk the whole thing. Because even if something inevitably does go wrong, we've got the people and the expertise and the focus to get a customer back on the right path and keep them going. So I guess, when all said and done, it's not about product, it's not about software, it's not about platform, it's about the combination of people and culture in the company that really focuses on customers and their data problems.
Okay, great. Well, great to be with you. I've been with James Coomer of DDN, and have a great conference.
Thanks very much, Doug.
Okay.
Look forward to next year.